Hello dear students, hope you all are safe and sound. In the previous video, we have discussed about different types of plastics and their uses. While studying about different types of plastics like polythene, PVC, bakelite, melamine, we have seen that they have become a part and parcel of our life. So much necessary in our life that we find them almost everywhere in every walk of life. It is believed that the first plastic was invented by Belgian American chemist Leo Baekeland in 1907. And obviously this was bakelite. In only 113 years, plastic has found the use from household to spacecrafts. Why plastic is so widely used? Why it is being used by so many people in so many places? The answer lies in some of its very important properties. So dear students, today we are going to study about the characteristic properties of plastics. See, the different uses of plastics we have already discussed in the previous video. Plastics are light in weight. Compared to metal, glass, wood, concrete, the weight of plastic is very less. Plastic is also long lasting. It does not get worn out very quickly. So it can be used for quite a long time. Plastics are also flexible. Means they can be bent easily. They are cheap also, easily available. Plastics can be molded into different shapes. You might have seen things made out of plastics can be of different color, different shape and size. So these are some of the common characteristics of plastic. Now let us go for some other characteristics. Thermal conductivity. Thermal means related to heat. Plastics are poor conductors of heat. That is, the heat does not pass through them. They don't allow heat to pass through them. So we call them insulators or poor conductors also. This property is very useful in making handles of cooking appliances like fry pan, cooker, outer surfaces of toaster. All these things. In the kitchen you find these things having plastic handles. The cooker or the fry pan is very hot. But when you hold it from the handle is not so hot. That is because of the poor thermal conductivity of the plastic. Then between the walls of the refrigerator, polystyrene plastic is being filled. That is also for making insulation. Does not allow heat to pass through it. Next important property of plastic is electrical conductivity. Plastics are poor conductors of electricity. Plastics do not allow electricity to pass through them. So we make handles of testers, screwdrivers of plastic. I hope you know what are testers. Testers are small devices like screwdriver only, but they are used for checking whether the current is passing or not. They are also used for covering electrical wires. Plastics are also used for covering electrical wires so that they provide insulation. Electric switches, plugs, sockets are also made of, outer cover is made of plastic. Plastics catch fire easily. Like synthetic fibers, plastics are also inflammable. Means they catch fire easily. But we have seen one type of plastic which is fire resistant. Remember? In the previous video, we have already discussed about it. Solubility. Plastics are insoluble in water. They don't dissolve in water. So they are used for making containers for storing water, like water bottles, tumblers, water tanks, mugs, and so many other things for storing water are made of plastic. Plastics are highly stable. Their reactivity is very less. They are almost unreactive. That is why they don't get rusted even if they are used with water or with chemicals. So containers used for storing chemicals are also made of plastic because they don't react with the chemical. So let us summarize the properties. They are unreactive, light in weight, cheap and easily made and also easily available. They can be molded in different shapes. They are poor conductors of heat. Plastics are poor conductors of electricity. They are insoluble in water. They are quite strong and long lasting. So dear students, I hope this video is quite helpful in understanding the topic. Next time we will study about harmful effects of plastic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.